pizza sauce. Oh, fuck. Too much pizza sauce. Gotta throw away some pizza sauce. Too much pizza sauce. No. Need another piece of bread. 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 Enough bread. Spoon. Sauce. Pizza slices. Exactly 4 pizza slices.
You mean pepperonis?
Pizza slices. Cheese. Smash. Put away pizza slices. Throw away paper. Get a lid of jar. Lid of jar. Get rid of excess pizza sauce, pizza dough, pizza everything. Pizza ball. Failure. Try again later. Fuck, it failed. Oh my god, shit. Fuck, if that was a fail. We shall try again. It didn't go as I planned.
Third attempt.
Third attempt. Oh yeah, it is a third attempt, huh? Glizzy. Paper. Disgusting. Where's the lid? Screw it. Pizza sauce. Mix sauce. Throw sauce. Fuck sauce. Shit sauce. Blend sauce. Some more sauce. Less sauce. Pizza slices. Oh fuck. My pizza slices. Love me my pizza slices. Yeah. Howdy. Put pizza slices away. We grab excess cheese. Spread cheese. Throw cheese. No one gives a cheese. Find random cup. Oh shiz, I forgot to add that. This better freaking work. Maybe it kind of worked. It worked. Now to put in toaster. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. Make sure toaster is at right number. Smoking it is. Worried I'm not. Smoking it is doing. Why is it smoking? Oh chiz, it's smoking. Smell it bad. It smell bad. It's freaking smoking. It's smoking it is. Worried I am. Leave it I am. I am gonna leave it. Clean up I shall do. No worries. It will not explode into a flaming fire. I shall use the force. I have used the force. It is out. I shall use metal and get electrocuted. It is falling apart, it is. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Fall apart, it did. Worried I am, not. Remaining there are. Maybe if I push it down, then I can. Smoking it is. Plastic I shall use. This work, it did not. It was supposed to be a pizza bagel. Whatever, you guys get the point. I failed at doing it, but if you just follow the same steps, I promise you it shall work. You know what? No, I'm not doing that. But yeah, if you do that recipe, I promise it will work because I did that like a week ago and it worked, but now it's not working. For some reason, it doesn't want to work.
Starting to smell like smoking, burning in here. Might want to unplug the toaster.
Oh, fuck. It is fine. The toaster is fine. Work next time, god damn it.